It's Social Media Week and hundreds of events are going on right around the world. Facebook Developer Garage London is just one of them. Hello, I'm Chris Layden. Let's catch up on this month's highlights. What's your name and why are you here?
Well, as I said, I'm Kaz. I work at Playbit. I'm a software architect. So I'm here
up
to
next,
catch up
I'd like to invite Iskandar.
Iskandar
is a regular speaker. He gives us the platform updates each month, and this month is going to be quite short because it isn't much.
I'm Gavin Clark. I'm head of
Special Moves,
which is an interactive company up near Farringdon. And I came here to do a talk about personalised videos and a video we did for WWE WrestleMania earlier this year.
I must say, actually, although I was sitting on the front row of my laptop and wasn't paying attention, I actually really did enjoy your talk, and that's because, you know, we're in video ourselves, so that whole kind of chroma keying effect is brilliant, the whole personalised video thing. What else do you reckon is going to come from that? Because of course there's been stuff previously, as you said, with Murder Psycho kind of things, with WWE. What's the next video idea you could see being personalised?
Well, I mean, we've done a few. We keep doing quite a few pitches for it because we've got the technology, so we're trying to sell it. If you want a personalised video, come to us. We had ideas like a lot more of kind of pretending to be your Facebook account, so you can get everything from someone's Facebook account. So you can make an imaginary page. And then in some of our client ideas, we've kind of imagined that, say, a schoolboy has come home, and then on the screen we've kind of taken over their Facebook page and put pretend messages and stuff on there.
That's a pretty cool idea.
And then you can get all of their friends lists, so you can say, like, you can get their girlfriends, their relationship status, so you can, like, in the video, like, they go home, they sit in front of their computer, and their girlfriend, with her profile picture that you've got, has, like, called them a loser because they wet themselves in school or something like that. So I think what it is, like, you don't realise you can get so much information there. Like, it's just so many ideas like that can come out, and that was just like, you know, a couple of hours brainstorming session.
That's terrifying at the same time. I really wouldn't want to see that, especially, let's say, if my boss all of a sudden writes on my wall, "You're fired."
Exactly. So, like, everyone has their company on Facebook now. I'm on Facebook, and you can see that Pascal Overson, who owns the company, is technical director on Facebook or something like that. So it says technical director, so we could find, you know, the boss, and then we could do something funny with your boss. Like, we can get his profile picture, you give us the permission, we can get his photos as well, we can get his date of birth, we can get his name, we can do all kinds of funny stuff there.
I'm sure that's a lawsuit waiting to happen.
My name's Chloe, and I'm a user experience designer in an advertising agency. And I used to work with Iskandar, so I've come to see him.
That's very cool. How are you finding it this evening?
Yeah, it's very interesting. I really enjoyed the last talk. It's good to have a bit of comedy.
I'm liking it. It's kind of terrifying at the same time, because that could also be turned into any kind of perhaps stalker wall. So, like, your boss can write on your wall that you're fired in a video, and just yeah, right, exactly.
I'm Dan. I work for a mobile design ad agency, and I thought I'd just come along to check out what it's all about. I've never been here before. So.
I'm Kieran. I actually work for Special Moves, the guys who sponsored it tonight. Yeah, come along. Just interested in getting more involved in the developer community and things to see what's happening and things. But yeah.
So have you found it so far as both a sponsor and a first timer?
I thought it'd be like strict, obviously because it's called Developer Garage. I thought it'd just be like this code in, but it was like interesting to get the insight on the wrestling video and how that was put together, and the thing where those guys came up and talking about what they were doing, just sort of like some really sort of like small time sort of apps.
Yeah, it's the first thing we've sponsored as a company, but it's really interesting to see all the different type of people, the personalities, the skill sets that are involved in this kind of thing. I've already spoken to quite a few people who are really interested in collaboration, be it with the company or just on side projects and things. And just the vast kind of diversity of the talks is really nice. You don't come to a conference and just expect the same kind of talk all the way through. We're getting things like about the tech, we're getting the methodology behind creating applications, as well as just, I don't know, conceptual kind of ideas. And it's good. It's really fun.
So, as it's Social Media Week in London, in fact all around the world this week, have you two been doing anything special for it, or is this your first event this week?
Yeah, we well, another company-oriented thing. We've sponsored a whole week of Social Media Week up in Farringdon, in where our offices are based. We share the big building with lots of other companies, and we decided to get together and provide a room or an office space for Social Media Week to use. So we've had talks and things running all week. One of them being women in a room, I think it is. So it's basically getting a lot of developers, female developers, together and kind of talking about things and seeing what the state of development is in the female domain, I guess. Because obviously development is quite a heavy male-led technology at the moment, or profession.
How about you? Any events this week?
No other events this week. I'm actually pretty new to sort of like.
Why not?
Doing it on the mobile. I'm about 5 years late to the iPhone party, so
really?
I bought one. Yeah.
So actually your Social Media Week has been actually embracing social media instead?
It's actually buying a phone and getting up to date with everything, which is a bit lame. But yeah, no, I'm ready.
I think that's the best Social Media Week story so far. Thanks very much. Have a great night. So, closing off Social Media Week, that was Facebook Developer Garage London. Don't forget you can check online for all the videos and information about all the talks at www.facebookgarage.org.uk. Until next month, I've been Chris Layden, and goodbye.